Are you ready to go? Is it Monday Fun Day, Bubba? And you got new Monday Fun Day sweaters, huh? Nice little hoodies. Yeah, y'all need a good hoodie for when we go to the mountains. Are you ready? Who's ready? Oh, Honey's squeaking too. Is Honey ready? Yeah? Shall we go? Bear's all excited. Okay. Yeah, are you actually ready? Okay, let's go. As I fall in the hole.
Yeah, but there was no Legos.
Off the edge, it's fine. Come on. Come on now, buddy. A bit more water coming out than last week. What do you think? What do you think? There's definitely not drinking that Funka water. Yeah. We're gonna wander this way. Your snazzy new sweaters. Brand new, just got them today. Huh. I thought they needed a sweater in their travels. Nice little hoodies like their mama used to have. Mama had a lot of clothing. Yeah. We're gonna expose you to some weird noises today. Okay? So you're not so skittish when we go places. Yeah, so we're gonna wander this way and see some things and hear some things. There's a lot of weird noises up ahead. Oh, fun, Bubba. Where'd the Bubba go? There they are. Some Uncle Bobbies. Come on. He's not playing in the mud, Barney. Honey Bunny's sweater is a little too big. New hoodie's a little too big, but it's okay. We'll fix it when we get home, huh?
I wonder if it would shrink if you washed it.
Not enough. Yeah, it's squishy, huh, Bubba? Your mama didn't like squishy mud. Uncle Puppies. Which side's on me again? Now if I'm mining? You're slowly getting used to car rides, huh? Yeah, not so scary? Yeah, when we get up ahead, there's all kinds of weird noises. Yeah, have to get you used to them. We can go different places and not worry about you being skittish. Uh-huh. Making funny noises. That's all we needed. Yeah, expose them to weird noises so they don't freak out. Here we go. It's okay, come on. Come on. Here they are. It's okay. It's weird noises. You're just fine. Anybody need a pair of shoes? The weird noises? You hear those weird noises, Bubba? You're okay, big guy. Just weird noises. Walk a little further. Come on, Bubba. It's okay. That's my good boy. It's okay, Bubba. It's okay. That's good puppies. Come on. Good job. Yeah. I hear some weird noises. It's gonna get loud. Yeah, it's gonna get loud. Come on. Come on. I don't want to step on the lid. There they are. I moved just in time. Some weird noises. A little further. Uh-huh. What do you think? It's okay, Bubba. It's okay. Look at that worried face. It's okay, my boy. These weird noises, you're just fine. Yeah. Shall we go the other way? Okay, we go the other way. It's okay, big guy. You're noisy, huh? You're doing good. Come on, Bubba. Yeah, good job, puppies. A lot of weird noises today. I don't want you to be super skittish when we go places. Yeah. Don't look up that way. There's a birdie. We'll walk to the river, okay? Come on. Stripping the copper.
Yeah.
At least that's what it looks like. All over the place. That's what they're getting it out of.
Yeah.
All them big tubes that holds all kinds of wires. They're stripping it for the copper. I almost said cotton. That's as far as I was going.
Yeah.
It gets to be the sketchier half. Especially the further you go that way. Come on. Hey, look, a painting. And other things, but we're only gonna grab the painting. Come on. Come on. Come on, go puppies. Did you see that birdie, Bubba? Copper hinge.
Yeah.
Come on. And a sock.
That's what we didn't find yesterday.
Uh-huh. And a sock. Come on. It's okay, Bubba. You don't like going that way. It's alright. I don't think we'll go that way again anyways. Come on.
It's all right. Getting used to the noises.
Uh-huh. He's always been skittish of weird noises. I mean, you stomp upstairs too much and it pisses him off. Come on, honey. Do we need to fix his sweater again? Come here. Come here. There we go. We'll fix it better when we get home. More permanent when we get home. Yeah? What do you think, Bubba? Weird noises? Weird noises? Yeah. This camera has a zoom. Weird noises, huh? Yeah. It's okay, Bubba. Okay, come on, let's keep going. A lot of weirdness, huh, Bubba? Where's a good boy? Alright, my boy. Good puppies. It's okay. Come on. There we go. Away from the weird noises. You happy now? You're my happy boy. That's good puppies. That was good puppies. A lot of strange noises today, huh? Go puppies. Yeah, that's my good puppies. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Come back right here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. Come here, my boy. Come here, my boy. You're okay. It's a good boy. Yeah, it's my good bunny. Weird noises, huh? Good job. See, that's what Mom and I used to do. We used to have a bell and used to say on your left or whatever when we approached people. We just didn't approach them, and because you never know where they're gonna step, and have them step out and bam, collide. Yeah. Funny noises, huh? Honey, you got tangled again. Hold on, Bubba. Yes, Bubba. You're just fine. There we go. Now the bear's tangled. Oh no. As I whack in the face with it. What's up? Okay. Uh-huh. Go puppies. Wee. Yeah, it's okay. Good job, puppies. Good job, puppies. Should I smile? Let's go, puppies. These are the birdies, huh? Those are birdies. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers. There they are. Woodpeckers. It's okay, Bubba. Says I don't want to go that way. And blue jays. Whatever those ones are. Run. Come on, buddy. He's stuck on your butt. There we go. You silly puppies. Yeah. Come on, silly puppies. Where wants to go now, huh? It's a silly bear. See, not so scary, huh? Just weird ass noises everywhere. There was a lot today. I'll wander a bit further. think, Bubba? Did you have a good day? Was it a good Monday fun day? Was it a good day? What about hi, Bunny? Hi, Bunny. Yeah, you tired? Got to hear all kinds of weirdness, huh? Bear, you got ants in your pants, huh? You ready to go home? Get a big drink? Have a good tasty? Yeah? Did you have fun today, Bunny? Yeah? Is it tired, Bunny? You gonna run to the car again? Yeah? Yeah. A wiggly tail there, and a wiggly wiggly. Yeah? We just gotta fix your shirt, huh? Yeah. Did you have fun? Yeah? Bear's got ants in his pants. Good Monday fun day, huh? Now I got sleepy puppies. Go home, get a drink, have a tasty, and zone. Oh, bird. Yeah, good day. Okay. So what do you think, Mama?